Let's complete here. Okay, let's complete page or answer page 259. Don't forget to write the date. Today we said is 30th of March 2020. Okay, like that. Write the date. Okay, I will make this page bigger to be able to see. Okay, like that. Here he told me use tracing paper and something like that, but I will color only. To answer, I will color the congruent figures, like the example that I told you in the previous video. Here I have to, but here I will color, not circle, the figure here from these figures that is congruent to the first one. Look here, this is a triangle. The base down, the side down in the triangle is called the base of the triangle. The base of the triangle here has how many dots? 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And up, I have, this is the top or the vertex of the triangle. Okay? How many lines of dots we use to draw this triangle? This is 1 line, 2, 3. 3 lines. Okay? Which triangle here is congruent to this one? He colored already the first triangle here, this one. Okay, but even it is looking down, or the vertex of the triangle is down, but he colored it is congruent to the first one. Okay, up the 3 dots here in the base, and down, this is the vertex, and he drew it on 3 lines like that, or 3 lines of dots like that. So they have the same shape and the size. Look at the second one. Is it congruent to the first? It is the same shape, but not the same size. So I will not choose it. What do you think this one? It is a triangle. It is drawn on 3 lines of dots. The base here on 3 dots. And this is the vertex, but it looks, or the top of the triangle, the vertex is looking to the right. Even it is looking to the right, but what do you think? It has the same shape and size? We think yes. So I can color. Okay, we can color it. Here. I can color it like that. Okay. Okay, or you can shade it in the textbook. What about the next? Is this triangle is congruent to the first? Does it have the same shape and size? It has the same shape. It is a triangle, but it doesn't have the same size. So I will not color it. The last one, what do you think? I have to color it or no? This is a triangle. It is drawn on 3 lines of dots. The base of the triangle, it is 3 dots here. And this is, it is looking, or the top of the, or the vertex of the triangle is looking to the left, but it is the same shape and the size. So I will color the triangle. So they are, or it is a congruent to the first one. Like that, color it. Here, question 2, this is square. This is a square. It is drawn on 3 lines of dots, and each side has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All the sides are equal, so this is a square. Here, what do you think? Does this square congruent to the first? You can notice it is smaller, or even by comparing the number of lines here, it is drawn on how many lines? Or here it is drawn on 3 lines. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, but the dots on each side, I have 2 dots only. So it doesn't have the same size, even it has the same shape. But here, it is the same like the first one, 3 lines of dots, and each side is 3 dots. So I will color this one. So all of you complete coloring it, but because I don't have enough time and I cannot control this pen, it's like that. Okay, this is what this is. This is square. It is a rectangle. I will not choose it, so it has different shape and different size. Also, this is square is different size. It is the same shape but different size. Look, the side is made up of 2 dots only. This one are 3 lines of dots, and each side has 3 dots like that. So this is congruent. I can color it like that. Okay. Question 3. This is a pentagon. It is made up of 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is drawn on how many lines of dots? This is 1 line, the second line, the third line. So I have 3 lines. Okay, the base of the pentagon is made up of 3 dots. Look at this. Is this a pentagon? Yes, so it has the same shape, but it has the same size. You can determine it without counting the number of lines, of dots. It's bigger. Let's count. This is 1 line, 2, 3, and 4. So it doesn't have the same size. But here I have 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Even it is looking to another direction. The top or the vertex up is looking to the right, but it has the same size. The base of the pentagon has 3 dots like the first one. So it has the same shape and size. So I will color this one. You can complete coloring it. Okay. Here, is this one has the same shape and the size? Even it is drawn on how many, look at the number of dots. This is, look at the base. To count the number of lines, look at the base. Here, this is 1 line, 2 lines of dots, 3 lines of dots, 4 lines of dots. So, and even here the base is made up of 2 dots only, but here the base is 1, 2, 3. So I can determine this one is not congruent to this one. Even it is a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, but it is not congruent to the first one. Look here, what do you think? Is it congruent? Yes. I have here how many lines? 1, 2, 3. And the base is made up of 3 lines, so I will color this one. So you can complete coloring it. Okay, and this one also congruent. It is a pentagon, the same shape. If you count the sides, you will find they are 5. And the base here, 3 dots. And how many lines we can draw? This is 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. So this is also congruent to the first one. So you can complete coloring it like that. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next page and erase what we did before. Okay, make it bigger. Not like that. Okay. Here, tell me what? Draw a figure that is congruent to the given figure. I need to explain for you how to draw. First, Look at the one side of this figure. Here we will, for example, look at the top, this side. How many dots here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to draw a congruent side like this one down here out of the first figure. It has the same size or the same length. It is 4 dots, so I need to draw 4 dots. So I will start by the first dot here and move down vertically like that till you reach the dot out the figure. Then connect the 4 dots. And I need to draw the dots down, the base of the trapezoid. Okay, this is made up of how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it is drawn on the which line? This is the first line of dots, second, the third. So here the first, the second, the third. I will draw it here. And I will move down. This is the start of the side. Move down, down, down till you reach the third lines of dots and count 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is easy to connect this dot with the other one and this dot with the other one. Now I draw a trapezoid that is congruent to the first one. What about this square? How many lines? You draw it on how many lines? 1, 2, 3. The 3 lines of dots. What about each side is made up of how many dots? 1, 2, 3 also. So I will move here. This is the start of the dot on the start of the side. I move down, down, down till I'm out of the figure and draw a side that is connected 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here down, this is 1, 2, 3 lines. Connect also 3. And here I will connect this with this one. So I draw now a square that is congruent to the first. What about this triangle? I need to draw a triangle congruent. Here I need to draw a side that is congruent to this one. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go after the end of this triangle. This is the end of this triangle. So I will draw the side here. Here, this is the beginning or the start. So I will go down till I am out of the figure and draw a side that connecting these 6 dots. This side, easy to draw this side and or this side and this side. This side connected 3 dots, so I will go down connecting 3 dots. Then after that, you can connect this dot with this dot to make the third line or the third side. Okay, so this triangle is congruent to the first. What about this rectangle? This is the start. Okay, this is the start. So I go down, down vertically. Complete. Yes, till you stop here. This is the end. And this side is 3 dots, so I will go down to complete 3 dots. Then now, after I finish the 2 sides, I can complete the rectangle easily. Complete this side like that, and complete this side like that. Now I draw a rectangle that is congruent to the first. What about this parallelogram? How to draw it? Look at the side up. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the start. Go down vertically like that till you reach a dot out the figure and use it. I will make a line till the end is at this one. Okay. Now this side is congruent to this side. This parallelogram is drawn on how many lines of dots? 1, 2, 3. So look at the third one here. 1, 2, 3. The start from I will start by this dot because here if you go down, okay, Then I will connect till I reach the end of this side. The end of this side is here. Okay, now connect this with this and this dot with this dot. I make a parallelogram congruent to the first. The last one, this is a hexagon. How many dots here? 3. So I will connect the 3 dots like that. And the opposite side is drawn after how many lines? 1, 2, 3, the third one. So this is 1, 2, 3, and it is the same here, like this. What about this dot? It is drawn on the second line of dots. So I will go down, down, down till I reach here, and this dot on the second line, down, down. The second line is this one. Now I can connect this side or this dot with this dot to make this side, and this with this one with this one, and this one with this one. Now I draw a hexagon congruent to the first. Here he told me draw 2 congruent figures. Easier to draw a rectangle or a square. Okay, I will draw a rectangle on these dots. Suppose I will draw how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will connect these 5 dots and these 3 dots. Now I make a rectangle. Okay, I need to draw a rectangle here that is congruent to this one. I connect here how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here how many? 3. I will connect the 3. Now these 2 triangles are congruent to each other. I hope all of you understand the lesson. See you next lesson, next video. Miss all of you. Study well. Goodbye.